So the first thing that I would do is get Google Analytics active on your site. Get an understanding of the traffic that you're getting and what sources first. Then I would enable Google Search Console with, for those of you, Google Analytics tells you the traffic of your site. Google Search Console tells you everything technically that's happening from a search perspective for your website. Then I would also add in Bing Webmaster Tools. I don't recommend just ignoring Bing because of Copilot. Copilot's in play now, and actually has been driving a lot of traffic to organic for Bing search. So that's the first thing I would do. Then I would actually invest in, there are some third-party tools that I would use. The one that we use is SEMrush. We're an agency partner of SEMrush. It's a paid tool, worth every dollar. So then what you're doing is, at that point, then I would hook up your Google Search Console and your Google Analytics to your SEMrush account. Because then what it's going to do is it's going to interact and pull all that data into SEMrush. SEMrush will then start to pull and crawl its own data in addition to that. At that point, then starts, really, when it comes to SEO, there's really several phases. You have your technical SEO audit that needs to happen. Now, the tools are great, but you have to know how to use them. You have to know what you're looking at. So, we know, but SEMrush, they have, like, you could attend like a training like ours. Like, you'd be a perfect fit actually for our training. I'm not trying to sell you here. I'm just telling you. If you're tasked with, and I know those sites because we're a sponsor of the chamber, and we have ads running on those chambers. So I know the sites you're talking about. Those are big sites. To understand what to do with those sites, especially now with GEO in play and AI search, you really have to know kind of what you're doing.